Hello guys, this is Onyema Anthony from Daily Programmer. So today I'm going to be teaching you guys a new concept. In the last lecture I showed you guys how to work with comments and then how to name a variable. So today I'm going to be teaching you guys a totally different thing. So what I'll be teaching you guys today is that we've been coding for quite some time now, and then you see me write code and then you see the code get executed and you ask yourself, how does this happen? How does this happen? Like, it doesn't make sense. So just understand that a code can be executed in whatever procedure, depending on how you write it, and depending on what you tell it to do, and how you tell it to execute. You can change the way you want it to execute. So like I told you, whatever happens in that starts and ends in the main. You see this place? It starts and ends in this place. So whatever you're executing start and end in this place. Don't worry, I will explain what all these things are later on in the video. But just understand that everything you're doing starts and ends in this place. So for example, let me give you an instance. I come here and say, okay, if I see here string name, I'll call it daily programmer, right? And I'll come here and say int age. I'll say 1 year. And then if I now say print, let me say execute it, name, and say print age. So if you look at this place, judging by the compiler will come here and say, okay, this is the main, I'll start from here, I'll initialize this variable, I'll initialize it, I'll print this, I'll print it. So this will be executed first and this will be executed first. So if you run it, you see daily programmer comes first and then this comes next. So depending on how you're coding, everything starts from the top to bottom. So ideally for now, understand that every code you're writing executes line by line. It goes from top to bottom. So if you write this first, this will get executed first. But depending on how you write your code, don't worry, all this will be clear. But for now, just know that everything starts running from top to bottom by default. That is how that is meant to run. But there's sometimes when you'll be coding and then you do some trick and then you tell it to behave like this. Yeah, that is perfectly fine. But for now, know that whatever I'm writing will execute as it is written in the code. So I don't know if that makes sense. So even if I add another thing here, my name is so even if I add something like this here and I execute it, it still executes all these things in a straight line. This first, then this, and then this. So that is what I want to teach you guys today. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.